Welcome to this edition of Google Apps training video for the Oshkosh Area School District. In this video we're going to focus on Google presentations, and this will be a beginner level video. We're going to cover the basics of Google presentations. The first thing that you'll need to do is to log into your Oshkosh Area School District Google Apps or Gmail account. While you're in your Gmail, you can click on the Drive link. And to create a new presentation, click on the Create button and choose Presentation. The first thing that you'll be asked to do is choose a theme. We'll just keep it Simple Light for this training and click OK. Before we move on to some of the features, I just want to show you how you could add templates to your presentation simply by going File, New, From Template. In the template gallery, you can see there's many different options. Our own Oshkosh Area School District templates, templates that I've used previously, templates that I've created, or public templates. Public templates are templates that are uploaded by other Google users and shared via the template gallery. First thing to do is to name your presentation. You can do that by simply clicking on Untitled Presentation and naming it. The next thing you can do is keep it organized in your Google Drive by clicking on the Folders button. And then you can choose any folder within your Google Drive folder structure and click Move. Now you'll notice that it says that it's in the temp folder. If you want to add a new slide to your presentation, click on the red plus, and that'll add a new slide to your presentation. You can also change the look and the feel of your Google presentation by using some of the features here in the editing bar. The features are also available in the menus up here. But first we'll go into the background. You could choose different images, you could choose a different color. Within the image feature, you can choose many different options here by uploading from your computer, getting one from a website, using your Google Drive, or even using Google or Life image searches. We'll change our background here to just a different color. You can do this to the specific slide that you're on by just clicking Done, or you can click Apply to All and click Done, which now you'll see that it changed it for all slides. You can also choose the layout of the slide. Currently there's just a title and a big text box. You can choose different ones by clicking on Change Layout and choosing a different option here. The other thing you could do if you decided that you didn't like the theme that you originally chose, you can click on the Theme button and scroll through some of the different themes that they have available for you. We'll just choose one and click OK, and now you'll notice that I've changed my theme for the entire presentation. The other thing is adding transitions to your presentation. You can do that by clicking on the transition button. You can do two different types of transitions or animations. One is between each slide, and you can change those by clicking on the slide transition and changing that. You can also then preview that by clicking on play. I'm going to quick add a title to this slide. You'll also notice that now when I select on that title or that object, I have an add animation. I can now add an animation to this specific object within this presentation. The next thing I'd like to show you is the insert feature. You can insert many different objects into your presentation. You could do text box, images, links, videos. You could even import slides from another presentation you've created. We'll add a quick arrow here. Now you'll also notice with my animations over here, I could add an animation to that specific object. If you want to present your Google presentation, make sure you have your first slide selected and come up to the Present button. You can also click the drop down arrow and click Present from the beginning if you don't have your first slide selected, but simply click on Present, and now you'll go into full screen, and now you could present your Google presentation. The last thing that I want to show is Google's sharing feature. Up in the blue share button over here are your different sharing options. Currently, I am the only person that can edit, view, and see this presentation. I have many different options. I could add people. I can add email address or add a message via email to them and share it with them that way. I can also come into the Who Has Access Change button and select different options here. People within the Oshkosh Area School District, anyone with a link, or if I'm going to post public on the web. If you're going to post and share the link, this is the link right here that you would share via email or on a website or within a different document. You can also change if the people can edit, view, or comment only on the presentation. If you're looking at collaborating real time with other users, you would want to give them edit rights. However, if you would just like to post it on a website for informational people to view, you would give them just view rights. Those are just a few examples. With that concludes our Google Apps for Education training for the Oshkosh Area School District, focused on Google presentations.